Sometimes you get ranunculus and they're extremely strong stemmed, straight, no curves, but often this is a typical sample of what you get. Ranunculus tend to have thinner stems, and sometimes the heads of the ranunculus are too heavy for the stems, so they'll completely bend or they will curve like this one. Doesn't mean the product's bad, it means that you need to work your flower and wire it if that's the case. I like some of the curves, but sometimes it can get a bit wonky, and I just run a straight wire right up the center because they have a hollow center. Now on day one, they're disappointing. They typically come really tight. The greenery looks gross, like you never buy the greenery, you never buy a ranunculus for its greenery, so I always pluck that off. And when they've been in a plastic sleeve, they just look very underwhelming. But unless they're brown or shattering or obviously in distress, then you need to give it a day. Because as you saw from that prep video, they were really, quite ugly when I opened them. But given one day and some wiring, they're incredible. They're ready to go, and I'm ready to design with them. So keep that in mind when you're buying ranunculus, and also keep in mind that they are hardy. They are long lasting, even though they're more of a delicate flower. If you're getting them in the heat of the summer, I would let them open and blow out, and then if you can shift them to a refrigerator, then I would do so just to extend the vase life. But yeah, they're fantastic to work with. You just need to know how.